sorry about the sound back there. That's down the road. But anyways, all of that. Y'all see that little body? That was the person who went across them tracks way down there. Anyways, Amtrak PL9323 from Boston, Massachusetts to Norfolk Virginia with 10 minutes southbound. Track 2 coming from the north, Norfolk Regional in Norfolk, Carry-on George, dates activated. A lot of people wanted the dates. 4 people. Siemens Charger. Why am I keep saying Siemens Charger? LC42s are not Chargers, but LC42 leading. Amtrak 95, southbound. Amtrak PL5323 from Norfolk Virginia to Sanford, Florida, with 10 minutes southbound on track 3 coming from the north. Auto train to Sanford. Charger LC42 leading. What with that P42 on it? It looks like this has 2 Charger LC42s, so y'all enjoy it. Track 3 southbound. That door open on the second car, second passenger car, that door open on my side. I don't know why I stopped in Barnes for a few minutes ago. I don't know why. Amtrak P18623 from Newport News to Philadelphia, 30th Street, Baltimore. From Philadelphia. This is going to be on track 2, northbound, coming from the south, Newport News to Philadelphia, 30th Street with terminus. Regional to Philadelphia. Charger LC42 leading. So it seems like the lights. Talk. Let's see it. Let's see it. Talk. Please center for. Should be doing a bit. Finishing its last Boston International. If you don't see them yet, I'm looking through the camera. That's not picking it up, I don't know why. Really green right now. And this is 5 September 23rd. It's on the Tuesday after school. Huh. I should have picked up something. Here we go. That's his last crossing. Sorry about that. So now I picked up something. That's his last crossing now. The very last crossing was definitely it, because that's the only, I don't know how far that is, but pretty far away. Alright, should be hearing something now. It should be the last crossing of train horn zone in Ashland. Sorry if it doesn't pick up anything. I'll show y'all it before and I caught it on camera. Yeah, that was his last cross. I don't know why I didn't pick up anything. Sorry about that. But y'all could. They should be activated anytime soon. Those do look like P42 lights, but from here it's just straight out white. Why it looks more yellow towards the yellow. But train time. We had 3 people coming on. I think only one of the 3 people. Charger LC42 lean, northbound, track 3, over that. That's broken, I don't know how that got broke, but damn. 5 cars. Number 328.
And set it all down.
Would you look at that? Phase 7 on it also. Alright. Since I love all y'all, I'll always get it on video when it departs. Always. I've been always wondering. Y'all see that flicker when it tries to do the 0? It's like flickering to 0. It's like it has a 0 behind it. It's like flashing or something. Bank 2 is the railroad channel. And right now Staples mode, Pittsburgh channel 500, 160, 590, which has other channels that have that frequency too, not just channel 500. And for channel 500, 160, 590 on my radio, it's bank 10. But it's trying to put a 0 behind his bank 2 on here, so that makes it bank 20. No idea what that bank is for. But yeah, I'll show y'all. Bank 10, so I just had to also be where I was trying to.
I think that's the right word.
So I didn't hear much, so I was on channel 500, which is what's good, you know. Alright, just on that AI thing right there, it says boarding track 3, 125. We'll get down payment, that'll be the last one, so I know flight. That sucks, I'm getting flight in a while. But anyway, so y'all enjoyed. P118-623, Newport News of Philadelphia, 30th Street, where it terminates. Charger LC42 lane, I think it was number 328, northbound on track 2. So y'all enjoyed. Alright, well, look at that. Machine. Hobo machine, sorry. That's cool. Anyways, I'll time to say for me, why not? Savannah, Georgia, New Penn Station with terminates northbound. Track 2, call me to New York, where it terminates. Last time I heard you chatter was just now for the 20th City departure. Move down a little bit further as I can tell. If I can. Alright, let's tell you I moved down a little further. I don't know why. But anyway, here comes Amtrak PO90 23. Then go to New Station Terminate. Going to New York. Hope I picked up it. So I can do it. Try my best. Try my very best. I forgot 9 was gonna come. I thought it was 186 and that's 115 and that's it. My papa was like, what's that? I'm like, I don't know. I forgot about 9. Might did meat. Even though he was way up there in the office. Didn't hear me until a few miles ago. That's concerning. Can't put the defect detector here no more for a while. Should be finishing. Should be at one more crossing now. Good, yeah. Alright, yeah, it's one more crossing, it seems like. I thought this was something interesting. Look at this. That's the date of the tracks. Look at that. Let me tell you what that says. 141 pounds per yard. VT, which is vacuum treated. Shout out to Jartooth. Didn't mean to know that. Ruled by Middle. MITTAL. I don't know how you pronounce that. USA 2005. This one is the same thing, but this rail right here is just 2006, and this was awarded in January. It has a dash right on to the forest right, and that's the date. So when you see dashes, that means it's the date. This one is 2006, January, 141 pounds per yard, vacuum treated in Mid-Tool, USA, MITTAL. Company school driver. Alright, it's honking so much. Wow. This must be from the engineer. Track P112523. Speed from Massachusetts, Newport News, Lake Terminates. Nelson Street, Newport News. People wanting the dates. Southbound, track 311 Ashland. 11 minutes late, 5 6 o'clock. It comes. I picked up is just one car. One car.
No. Like that, big as day, you can put the other one in the street.
Washington, D.C. sticker on my page 7. Let's mention that. There's one right there in the cafe car. There it is, right there. Charge L242 Lee, travel 3 southbound, track 3, play on Android. Hello, thing, demon. Up, 10 now. Too high up. Alright, play on Android. Look at this. This is 95. This what that's up there. That's smoke from the car. This is a front seat POV. From a good day Railfanning, there it is. Oh god, it's bad. Ooh. That ain't good. Put on the window.
Man, fire truck's not even here.
Jeez. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. People are freaking pulling over. That's a car that's on fire. That's a little car that's on fire. Oh my gosh.